Hey everyone, I'm working on this 2008 F450. If you're having an issue putting your anti-rattle springs back in your rear brake pads, maybe this video will help you out.
I'm going to show you right here how to put these on without causing you a whole bunch of headache.
Once you got the brake pads up there, I've seen a lot of people sit here and take the springs, put the springs on, put them back in the notches, and they gotta sit here and worry about the pad pulling out while they're trying to put the caliper back on. The way that I do it is I put the pads up here like this. Then I go ahead and set the brake caliper into position. You want to take your bolts and go ahead and slide them in. And notice I did not put the springs on there yet. Okay, so now go ahead and torque those bolts down. These top ones were like 203 foot-pounds, and I think these end ones were, I want to say, like 26 on the actual caliper pin bolts. But go ahead and tighten those up. Okay, so once you have those torqued down, now you can see that the brake caliper is on there. Okay, so now I'm going to show you the spring. If you look right down in here, you can see the hole on the brake pad in there. You able to see it? You can see right where the spring's going to sit. Let me see if I can get the flashlight a little bit closer. Okay, see the little notch in there? That's where the spring's going to sit. So you take the spring, just fold it up, take your fingers, you can see the springing action. Just hold it right here. You can see your little notches right there. Just put that right in there on one side, put it in the notch, and then do the same for the opposite side. The spring's in there. Now every vehicle is going to be different. The spring might be different depending on the manufacturer. All you gotta do is come up here, and sometimes you can actually just push it in with your hand. Just kind of push up right here, and or with your palm. Let me get my hand around the camera, and you can see how it went in. If you're worried that it didn't go fully in, then just stick your screwdriver or a pair of pliers in there. You kind of push on it from the top just to make sure. So you can see that the spring's fully in there, and that's the easy way of doing it with the caliper, not having to fight the pads out. So let's go ahead and do the top. Okay, so for the top, just do the same thing. Bring it around. Okay, once you pull it over, you can see you don't want to like completely pull it, because I have seen them bent back the other way, but just go up here, slide it in, slide it back slightly until you find that notch. Do the same thing for the opposite side. And once you got them on the notches, just come up here and push the top in with your palm. So I just wanted to show you how easy it was to put that spring in the brake caliper and not have to worry about, you know, the pads. Again, it's not going to work on every vehicle. This is a 08 model F450. You know, it's a dually. And so hopefully the video helped someone out today. If you haven't already, please hit that subscribe button for me, like it, share it, let me know what you think in the comments below. Stay tuned for more videos, and I will see you in the next one. Thanks for watching again, everyone.